What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So hey, the ZAGG Universal Limitless Keyboard. The typing is one of the most comfortable. This is a 12.9-inch keyboard. It must much bigger than like a 10-inch tablet keyboard, as you can see. But there's so much going for it. It comes with 7 color light. Let me turn it on. You see light. Yeah, it comes with a 7 color light. I forgot how to change the light function. I forgot. Okay, function, this one. You see everything amazing, but the keys come off easily. As you see, the keys come off easily. So much going for this keyboard. The keyboard is very easy to type. One of the most comfortable Bluetooth keyboard type. I love to type on. The chiclet keys are amazing, but the keys come off. I cannot recommend. Why? The key, if you like, type hard, the keys easily come out. I just can't recommend this one. Sadly, I can't. And it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe.